Alright, we are here at the Ikea Schaumburg. There's some universal fixtures. This one's already in down peak mode, or up peak mode, or what do you want to call it. It's a hydraulic. Rather slow hydraulic, if you may. It's a Scenic elevator. Let's get a cat. There's your universal fixtures buttons. There's your indicator. Going back down to 1. Close the door. And see if the door closes once. Oh yeah, it does. I like that. Door and unlock system. Alright, let's go up one more time. Alright, since we're here, we'll go down on this elevator. So universal fixtures. Rather slow one. Jesus, this thing's slow.
Hello? Oh, what?
Does this thing not take calls or something? Oh well. Oh! Here it comes, there's a chime. It's so slow. This one's also a hydraulic, and this one's fans on. For my birthday, I'm gonna get some keys. So. There's your fan. Phone. Door open, door closed, universal fixtures again. Secured phone. Alright, and that's it.